The Thai forces has just installed more dirt around your home. They even set up military cameras, and it looks like the tractors have now damaged a significant part of your property today, and I'm really sorry about that. ទាហានថៃនឹងគេបានចាក់ដីចាក់ឲ្យធ្វើផ្លូវឲ្យប្រហែលជាអាចប៉ះពាល់ដល់ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកមីងទៅទៀតអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំពិតជាមានការសោកស្ដាយខ្លាំងមែនតើ Yesterday I was after we conducted another interview that is soon to be posted for the world. I had the opportunity to play with your 3 grandchildren. ការពីម្សិលមិញក្រោយពេលពួកខ្ញុំធ្វើបទសម្ភាសន៍ជាមួយអ្នកមីងហើយពួកយើងក៏បានលេងជាមួយនឹងក្មេងៗនៅត្រូវជាចៅរបស់អ្នកមីងនៅទីនេះតែម្ដងបាទ It was raining and there was some mud puddles, and in light of all the stress that you and your grandchildren cannot go back home, we just found a time to just play in the rain and play in the mud. កាលពីម្សិលមិញហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំបានលេងជាមួយនឹងកូនចៅរបស់អ្នកមីងនៅទីនេះតែម្ដងហើយពេលហ្នឹងគឺពួកគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តមែនតើ And just for that little second we can forget where we are. ហើយពេលហ្នឹងយើងហាក់បីដូចជាភ្លេចថាយើងកំពុងតែនៅជាប់ជាមួយនឹងព្រំដែនដែលគេកំពុងតែរាយបលាលុះនេះ All the stress from my world trying to report your story and your voice for you and your grandchildren, how they don't have access to their home. It was immediately taken away when I just saw how lovely your grandchildren are. នៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំឃើញចៅរបស់អ្នកមីងគាត់និយាយទៅគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ខ្លាំងមែនតើដល់តែអញ្ចឹងទៅធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្លេចអស់នៅអារម្មណ៍សោកសៅដែលវាកើតឡើងនៅពេលដែលយើងចប់បទសម្ភាសន៍ And everyone for a minute in the entire village put their cameras down and just watched as the rain kept falling, and eventually it cleared the rain stopped, the skies cleared, the sun came up, and we thought all together what would be a great idea that I can hold all 3 of your grandkids and take a picture together. ពេលដែលយើងកំពុងតែលេងជាមួយគ្នាយ៉ាងសប្បាយរីករាយនេះយើងក៏នឹកឃើញរឿងមួយថាបើសិនជាអាច3ចៅរបស់មីងនៅលើដៃហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាល្អមែនទែនពេលហ្នឹងក៏យើងចាប់បាទ3ចៅទាំង3នាក់របស់មីងហ្នឹងតតែម្ដង And when we took the picture together, it was a laugh for everyone. Everyone was just thinking, how is Michael going to hold all 3 kids? នៅពេលដែលយើងថតរូបហ្នឹងគឺមានបងប្អូនច្រើនណាស់គាត់ស្រឡាញ់គាត់ពេញចិត្តខ្លាំងមែនទែនហើយគាត់ឆ្ងល់ថាមិនបាន Michael អាច3ក្មេងៗរហូតដល់ទៅ2នាក់ហើយមានម្នាក់នៅខាងមុខគាត់ And I just want to show for transparency before I show her. This was the picture that I took on Facebook. It had reached over 7 million people in less than 24 hours. រូបហ្នឹងត្រូវបានមានអ្នកមើលឃើញរហូតដល់ទៅច្រើនជាង7លានអ្នកក្នុងរយៈពេលតិចជាង24ម៉ោង Are these your grandchildren? នឹងចៅរបស់អ្នកមីងហ៎ចាបាទ Unfortunately, there was one person on Facebook, and he's an influencer. His name is, he goes by Jacob in Cambodia. តែចៃដន្យនេះក៏មានបុគ្គលម្នាក់ឈ្មោះ Jacob in Cambodia ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់បាន He reported on Facebook. He said that this picture looks very inappropriate. គាត់បានធ្វើការ report នៅផុសមួយហ្នឹងថាផុសហ្នឹងមើលទៅវាអត់សមរម្យ And Facebook now just shut down the picture and it shut down the post, deleted it off the face of the earth. ហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺ Facebook បានធ្វើចំណាត់ការមួយដោយធ្វើការដកផុសមួយនឹងចេញហើយចាប់ page របស់គាត់ឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺជាប់ពមៀនពណ៌លឿងទៅហាក់ page គាត់ Out of 7 million people, not one person sent an angry face. ខណៈពេលដែលមានមនុស្សច្រើនជាង7លានអ្នកបានមើលឃើញកុំឲ្យមានម្នាក់ដែលខឹងជាមួយនឹងរូបភាពមួយនេះ I don't know why Jacob would turn down this photo. This photo is beautiful. ខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថាតើហេតុអីបានជា Jacob គាត់ទៅជាខឹងសម្បាជាមួយរូបមួយហ្នឹងគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់មែនទេ This photo is the reality, in my opinion, of how the children live here. រូបមួយនេះគឺបង្ហាញអំពីទស្សនវិជ្ជានៃជីវិតរបស់ពួកគាត់ដែលរស់នៅទីនេះ But I want to ask you, តែខ្ញុំចង់សួរអ្នកមីងបន្តិចថា
Was it okay if I publish this picture?
តើអ្នកមីងយល់ព្រមអត់ដែលខ្ញុំបង្ហោះរូបមួយហ្នឹង
ខ្ញុំយល់ព្រម
Yes I strongly agree to post this picture
កូនចៅខ្ញុំ
I strongly agree
កូនចៅ
to
ខ្ញុំ
post
វា
this
សប្បាយចិត្ត
because they are happy when they are playing with you
And I was happy too. But you
គាត់
know,
ក៏សប្បាយចិត្តដែរ
but and right now in the world that we live in, sometimes we can't answer for what people do to us.
ពេលខ្លះនៅក្នុងពិភពលោកបច្ចុប្បន្នយើងមិនអាចឆ្លើយនឹងសំណួរគ្រប់យ៉ាងទៅកាន់មនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាទេ
And I'm happy that I can enter your home, and I'm happy that you share with me your stories, so I can tell the world that you have a voice.
តែខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តដែលខ្ញុំបានសម្ភាសន៍អ្នកមីងហើយអ្នកមីងមានសម្លេងមួយដើម្បីយើងនាំទៅកាន់អន្តរជាតិ
And because of that, you and me and your grandchildren, we have a special trust.
ហើយដោយសារតែបែបនេះហើយអ្នកមីងខ្ញុំនិងចៅរបស់អ្នកមីងគឺកំពុងតែទទួលបានការជឿជាក់ទុកចិត្តពីមជ្ឈដ្ឋានទូទៅ
And it's the reason why I put away all my titles, my journalism, everything aside, and I just want to call you grandmother.
ហើយដូច្នេះទៅខ្ញុំទុកចោលនៅគេឈ្មោះកិត្តិយសមុខរបរការងាររកស៊ីគ្រប់សពយ៉ាងហើយខ្ញុំចង់តែហៅអ្នកមីងមកនេះថាជាម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំ
And you're the reason why I'm here, is because I want to pursue justice for you.
ហើយអ្នកមីងគឺជាហេតុផលដែលខ្ញុំមកទីនេះព្រោះខ្ញុំចង់ស្វែងរកយុត្តិធម៌ជូនអ្នកមីងនិងបងប្អូនអរគ្នា I'm thank you so much thank you so much thank you
ឲ្យជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំឲ្យអន្តរជាតិនិង
Please
ខាង
international community
ជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំឲ្យបានជួយរំលែកទុកខ្ញុំទាំងកូនទាំងចៅខ្ញុំឆាប់បាន
to
ដីបាន
relieve
ផ្ទះនៅ
my pain my suffering by getting back my
ខ្ញុំ
home
មានប្លង់មានអីគ្រប់
so I have my own property I have my own house if I get back I'm gonna live a normal good life
អរគុណដល់
Thank
អ
you
ន្តរជាតិអ
for
រគុណ
international
ដល់
community
លោកអ៊ំម៉ាត់អីត្រាក់ Michael តាន់ត្រាំអីហ្នឹងសូមអ៊ំ
Thank you Michael Trump
ជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំ
please have
បានដីបានផ្ទះនៅផង
I want my home back I have nothing in that
ចៅខ្ញុំពិបាកណាស់
we are struggling right now we're suffering
Well,
អរគុណច្រើនជួយខ្ញុំ
I just want to set the record straight. There's a lot of misinformation out there. There's a lot, and I'm here just on my own dime to represent these villagers who are victims from something that's beyond their control. The real issue is between both governments, Cambodia and Thailand. And while the world points at everyone's fingers, who to blame, who's at fault, where's the courts, where's the UN, where's America, where's China, people are overlooking the villagers, the 6 people who live here, who lost 10 hectares, who lost their livelihood, who lost their business, and without notice, after living here for 30 years, Thai forces came in, knocked on their door, had guns facing at their bodies, and told them they have to immediately leave. And now they've been sleeping in the mud. And now the reason why we're here is to simply championing the voice for them, because nobody's covering it. And that's why I believe in independent journalism. But again, I just want to set the record straight, and I want to let everyone know that I have the utmost respect for everyone here in this village, including the children. Michael Farrell, thank you.